the cruise control with the ZX10R 2021 and up, you have to activate the button. You will see cruise control up here and down here. It's on. You have to start riding. But once you get to third gear, you set it from this button right here. Set it. This will increase. This will decrease speed. And when you press the clutch lever, brake, front brake, or rear brake, it deactivates the cruise control. So let's just go and show you how. And when you're on the third gear, you cannot go beyond 60 something miles an hour. That's the limit. If you want to go any faster on cruise control, you have to shift to fourth gear, then reactivate the cruise control again. Let's try. So now that I'm on the third gear, I'm gonna press the bottom button for a second. That's gonna activate cruise control, and now I'm on third speed on the third gear. As you can see, if I wanted to go any faster, look, I'm trying to go faster, but I can't because the third gear is limited on cruise control to like 60 miles an hour or so. So therefore, I have to switch to fourth gear and reset the cruise control. Now to go faster, I just press the top button and you see I go faster. You have to press it for a second, and then it keeps going faster. That's all there is to it, guys. Enjoy and peace.